lost her virginity because it was red and it just said boom and it popped his titty. Anyway. Bing. We're trying not to fart in this video, okay? I don't know what they be putting in peanut butter cookies at school, but damn. I've been having stomach farts, okay? Like the inside of the stomach, you be hearing them weird noises and shit. I've been having farts to the point where it don't come out the butt, it just stays in the tube and you can feel it and you can hear it, but you can't feel it come out. I've had hearts where it came up the butt crack, like a bubble came up through the butt crack. I just had ones that just came out like, or like this, like literally like this. Literally, you heard the last ones. They were like this. I love talking about farts. It's so funny.
Your mommy is here.
My mommy's
Another
here.
blooper scene.
Another blooper.
We'll finish this tomorrow.
Bye. I got a fart.